Hello, I'm Yuan, and I'm going to demo my application. First, the purpose of the application is to help user to track their daily used money. It has two pages, which are the summary page and history page. They will display all previous expenses. The user can choose to add a new expense to the tracker. They can specify the amount number and the category. The system will dynamically update those two pages. Next, I will present the code structure. First, I will introduce the database that I used. I choose the Mongo Atlas as my database, and here is I use the MongoDB Compass to connect to the cloud database. Okay, then I will introduce the structure of the backend code. All of the front end and the backend use the TypeScript, and for the backend, I have a controller. I have a model to define the data, and also I have a controller to define the function to modify the data in the database. And I have a router to provide RESTful API for the front end. And finally, the index for the backend. Next, I will introduce the front end. For the front end, I defined two pages for the application. Here is one. Another one is similar. And I defined several components to create the pages. For example, I will show the form component. This is the form component. This is the history component. Okay. I also define some CSS styles in the styles folder, and create some stories in the stories folder. Okay, next I will demo the application. I opened two application here, and first I will add expenses here. I will choose 10 for the others. We can see others at first is 7. After I click the confirm, we can see others become to 17, which increases 10. And also we can see there's a new entry here, indicates that we add a 10 to the category others. So it means all the data are dynamically updated. Okay, I will try to enter 45 to bills. We can see two application page will show the new entrance at the same time. Okay, that's a simple demo. And next, I will display the storybooks. You can see I defined several customer components in the storybook. And this one is the form, which is I used to submit the adding expenses request. Here's a header, which is I used to indicate the name of the application. And this is a history table. And this is a summary table. And this is just a text components to write anything you want. Thank you. That's all.